Oh, hello everyone. I am back. Anyways, I think I haven't posted in a month, and to be honest, I'm really sorry about it. School has been really tough on me, but let me tell you my life lately. So yeah, life is tough at school, but I'm looking having fun. And people might ask in the comments where did I go? Blah blah blah. I actually went back to cubing. I used to be a cuber before I played Geometry Dash. And yeah, I went back to cubing and I make a lot of cubing videos in my TikTok, which I'll show right here. And to be honest, I'ma tell you guys one thing. I did show my face in my TikTok account, but I'm begging you to the people that see this and watch this video whole, do not share my face here on YouTube. Not because I'm insecure, it's just because I'm still underage and they might get banned. So yeah, thank you for your cooperation and yeah, I hope I'll be making some videos soon. Goodbye.